Hey guys, Destiny RV Guide here, and today we're going to go over my top 5 brands to keep an eye out for in 2024. We made it to the new year, and I think the RV market's got a lot going on right now, and some brands are getting recreated, and a whole lot of new things are getting added to the table with them. So let's start off at the top. Number 5 is the Coleman Lantern series. So the Coleman Lantern series offers floor plans anywhere from 17 feet all the way up to 37 feet, in anywhere from no slides to 3 slides. They have a whole lot of different floor plan options to begin with. And when I was speaking with the rep earlier this year, they plan on doing a whole facelift for the lineup, adding a whole lot of features that people have been really looking for. The Coleman series hasn't been redesigned since 2019, and it really is asking for a facelift. They plan on adding a whole lot of new floor plans and really increasing the quality of what they already produce. They do produce the 17B and the 17R, which have been wildly popular over the last few years just due to the price point that they're able to hit and what they're able to offer at that price range. They plan on expanding the lineup from there, offering more affordable options, as well as, like I said, bringing some features that were really needed into the segment. So definitely the Coleman series is going to be one to keep an eye out for the 2024 season. Number 4, I want to talk about the Forest River Alpha Wolf series. So Forest River produces a whole lot of brands, everywhere from mild to wild, and all the manufacturers do. But the Alpha Wolves in particular were introduced right in 2019, 2020 at the Hershey RV show, and they won Best in Show that year. They offer a whole lot of different high-end features that you usually don't see standard from the factory at all, including backup cameras, rear storage gates, heat pads on all of your holding tanks, and really offers a high-end piece at an affordable price range. They offer floor plans anywhere from 23-foot couples coaches all the way up to 38-foot bunkhouses, so there's a wide range of layouts available through them. And really a contender for 2024. Number 3 on my list for 2024 campers to watch out for is the Keystone Cougar lineup. As you guys know, I'm a Keystone fanboy myself, and Keystone Cougars are on the top of my list. They have stayed first in the industry for over 2 decades now as a top seller because of their innovation, the fit and finish that they provide, and they stay above everybody else due to that. Usually they're the first to introduce new innovative features into their campers. Usually they're the first to bring out certain floor plans as well. They offer floor plans anywhere from 22 feet all the way up to 36 feet. They do offer a full fifth wheel lineup as well, anywhere from half tons to full size fifth wheels. You'll see solar standard on the units. You have the option to get lithium batteries standard from the factory. And really, they've been what all the other brands are keeping up with for the past 2 decades. For 2024, I think they're going to continue on with their legacy. They dropped their price point just a little bit to be more aggressive in the market. And if there's 3 things that are a guarantee in life, it's death, taxes, and a cougar in the campground. Number 2 on my list, and I have to bring it up, is the Airstreams. Of course, they're tried and true. They've been around for longer than I have and longer than most people in the industry have. All aluminum construction makes them fairly lightweight for what they are, and very, very well built as well. You won't see any slide outs on these units, but that's a testament to the construction and really the reliability of them all in all. You won't see any new crazy innovations throughout the Airstream lineup. In 2024, they're still producing RVs, and if you're in the market, they're definitely one to consider. They might be a little bit pricey, but it's worth it for what you get. My number 1 pick for 2024 for RVs to look out for is the Salem View lineup. So Forest River Salem has been putting out trailers for quite some time now, and they've recently came up with their new View series, which really focuses on letting natural light into the camper, lots of windows, lots of open space in the camper, and really floor plans that we've just never seen before. They've came out with 3 floor plans in their travel trailer lineup, as well as 2 in their park model lineup as well. Anywhere from couples coaches, hidden bunk rooms, to just all-out 3-bedroom mansions on wheels. Really a contender for 2024, and I would be surprised if they don't take Best in Show in some of these upcoming RV shows. Some of you might not agree with everything on my list, and I'd love to hear your comments and your 2 cents down below. Do me a favor, if you're part of the RV lifestyle, make sure to subscribe, follow along for more RV walkthroughs, tips and tricks, and lists like this. Thanks for following along.